Bonjour, this is Laetitia. It's that time of the year in Hollywood where everybody wants to look very glam. I'm going to create big hair, but it's very important to prep your hair first. I wash her hair with a hemp-up shampoo, and then I use the hemp-up conditioner first. Then I add on the roots the shining weightless amplifier. I blow dry your hair with a round brush. I use the curling iron to give a little bit more curl. Now I'm going to brush it and create the look. You brush your hair because you don't want to have like the curl looking too perfect, too prom look, you know. We are in Hollywood, we want to look sexy. Then you brush it, you use a dryer a little bit to give more volume. Then I always use a little bit more of the dry shampoo on the roots when it's like this to add more texture to the hair. I use the dry shampoo like a styling product. Shake your head back, like this. You see the volume we get already? This is very nice. She could go just like this, but I'm going to polish it a little bit more. I'm going to put her hair back like this, just a small section. Into a rubber band. Almost kind of flat like this because I want to give the volume here. Then you tease it. Just a big tease like this on the root side. Then use your Mason Pearson again and you brush it nicely. Then you cover your rubber band. Then you add a lot of spray. It's a big night. It has to be stay like this all day, all night. Remember those Hollywood party? It's all night party. And Laetitia love all night party. And you can always add something like if you want like some kind of, you know, it's always nice to have a little bit of. Is she glam? Is she ready for Hollywood?
Ready.
Ready. Voilà.